Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. I just want to come on and show you guys some nice home decor that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So for $1.25 that they are now, these are not bad deals. So look at this XOXO sign. So you have the galvanized look to that and then the wood, but this is a nice weight to that. Nice sign. Then they had these wooden hearts. They had different shapes, but I like this one with they had the little cutout in the middle. You have a hole there. You get 8 little pieces. You have some twine that you could make ornaments with this. And then you had these tinsel hearts, 2. You get the 2 for $1.25. They also had this in red. They have this galvanized envelopes. You could put little notes in this. I thought this was really cute. I think this is one of my favorite pieces. This is how the back looks. They had this galvanized heart. And they had a variation of designs. And take a look at the back. Then I saw these stakes. So nice, cute little trucks. You could take these stakes off and create other DIYs. Struck by Love, Love You More. Then they had this one in the pink. XOXO, Follow Your Heart. Then after I saw those two, I came across these. And I really had like these were much smaller. You have a little wire right here that you could hang this up. XOXO Love and Heartbreaker. I really do like the pink. Then I picked up the red truck. Love Be Mine. Very cute. Then I think I saved the best for last. I really love this. This is one piece and is already painted for you. Have your wordings on there. Be mine forever, lots of love. This could be for any occasion. And I love the pinks. And you have it, it looks like wood grain. And it's pretty light. So go ahead, check out your Dollar Tree and see what you could find. They have some awesome home decor. And although the prices went up to $1.25, I think it's worth it. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.